Hello, this is personal injury lawyer and accident attorney Keith Konkle, based out of Naples, Florida. I wanted to come on here today and give you a personal pledge. If you're considering hiring Konkle Law Firm, I want you to know that we will serve you with excellence. We will be detail oriented. We will make sure that no stone is left unturned. We will go above and beyond to take care of you, to return your phone calls, to communicate with you. You won't just be a number at Konkle Law Firm. You will be a person and a client and someone that we respect and show dignity to. We take your case personal, and I will represent you with your case personally. So you are not going to be just another number at our law firm. We pride ourselves in taking care of people. I know what it's like to hurt. I know what it's like to go through tragedy. I personally have had to fight for a lot of things in my life. I grew up in very humble beginnings. Although God always provided for me, I didn't have a whole lot of extra. And then later on in life, my late wife, who is now going on to heaven, became terminally ill. We fought for years to try to keep her alive, despite her very rare disease. We were in and out of hospitals all the time. Medications, surgeries, bone transplants, you name it, to the point of exhaustion. And so I can empathize with somebody who's been in a car accident, someone who's been in a motorcycle accident, someone who has been a victim of medical malpractice. I went through that and I experienced it. I know how it hurts. Even though it wasn't me personally, I was there with my late wife. Her name was Billy Jo Konkle, who is now in heaven, and I saw the pain that she went through. I saw the suffering. In fact, she was doing better for a short time, and while I was in law school, she started doing bad again. And one day she was in the hospital. She had IVs hooked up to her, and she was on oxygen and all kinds of things, all kinds of tubes and monitors and everything, watching her vital signs. And I walked up into the hospital exhausted. I was in law school, taking care of my two kids. She was in the hospital, and I started realizing, you know what, maybe I should go ahead and quit law school so that I can just focus on just her and so on. So I went into her room and I said, you know, Billy Jo, I really think that maybe I should go ahead and quit law school and, you know, just focus on, so I can focus on you more and the kids and different things like that. Without sounding cheesy or melodramatic, she looked at me and she said, if anything happens to me, you're going to need a good career to take care of those kids. And she goes, I want you to stay in law school and I want you to become a lawyer. And you can do it, Keith. Basically, she was telling me, I want you to go win, despite the fact I'm here. In other words, she's in the hospital fighting. She wanted me to go back to class and fight. And you know what? I took her at her word. That's what she wanted. I gave it to her. I finished law school, despite all odds. I passed the Florida bar exam. I became a licensed attorney. And now, by the grace of God, I've started my own law firm. And I'm going to keep fighting, and I'm going to keep winning with the help of God. It's just something that is inside of me. It's something I think of her every day, and I think, what did she say to you, Keith? She said, win. She wants you to win. Take care of the kids. Do well in life. Keep moving forward. And I promise you, obviously, we cannot guarantee an outcome for any case. But I can guarantee you this, I will give you everything, and I will keep fighting and fighting till there's nothing else that we can do that's in your best interest. So I just want to encourage you, call me if you have any questions or you have any concerns or you just need some information, a free consultation. I won't charge you a thing. When it comes to our fee agreement for personal injury claims, and other cases of that nature, if I don't win your case or agree to a settlement that you are agree to, that you don't pay no fee to me. So I have every incentive to want to win for you. I have every incentive to make sure that I can get you the maximum amount. I'll be honest with you. I'm out to win the maximum amount. Why? Because when I do that, you win the maximum amount. And if you've been through what I've experienced and what I've seen when it comes to people in medical pain and all these kinds of things, you deserve some restitution, especially if someone's negligence has caused you the pain and suffering that you've been through. I'll be honest with you, until my wife went through the pain that she had and the disease that they actually had to install a pain medicine pump inside her body, and there was a catheter that went around into her spinal cord and released the medicine to help with the pain, and she was on pain medicine on top of that. I didn't know a human could hurt so bad that even despite these intense levels of pain medication and treatment, you could still be in pain. I feel for you. I hurt with you. I know what it's like. Call me if you want an attorney that actually cares. Call me if you want someone that's going to fight for you. Call me if you want somebody that is on your side and know what it's like and will fight for the underdog. I'm not afraid of big insurance. I'll fight them. My number is 239-269-3587. You can email me at keith@konklelawfirm.com. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, you name it. All the big social media sites, you can find me. There's all kinds of ways to reach out to me. I'm always happy to answer questions, always happy to help you. And I wish you the very best. And there are times where you do have to hire an attorney. And if this is that time for you, I hope you do consider Konkle Law Firm, because we do care and we'll give you our very best. That I can promise you.